Welcome back to Turbo Talk 2, your home for the hottest takes on the coolest rides. Today we've got something truly wild. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach 1 T-Roc. Yes, you heard that right. It's the muscle-bound legend, you know, but reimagined with a bold twist. Mustang power meets crossover practicality in this new age fusion. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the look. The Mach 1 T-Roc is a head-turner from every angle. Ford took the aggressive Mustang DNA, wide stance, sharp LED lights, that signature snarling grille, and injected it into a crossover form. It rides higher than your average coupe, but lower than a full SUV, with sculpted lines that scream speed even at a standstill. Signature Mach 1 striping, hood vents, quad exhaust tips, and 19-inch alloys give it the muscle car spirit, while its sleek roofline and muscular haunches suggest it's ready to pounce. It's like a Mustang and a Puma had a beautiful, fast baby. Now let's talk performance, because that's where this beast earns its name. Under the hood, the 2026 Mach 1 T-Roc packs a 5.0-liter Coyote V8, tuned to deliver a fierce 500 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. Mated to either a 6-speed manual for purists or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic, it launches from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. But it's not just straight-line speed. Thanks to Magnaride suspension, performance-tuned dampers, and an all-wheel drive option, it handles like a dream, gripping corners with confidence. Track-ready, daily drivable, and absolutely addictive. Step. Inside and the interior blends heritage and high-tech. Ford didn't hold back. You get Recaro-inspired sport seats wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, a 12.4-inch digital cluster with customizable performance gauges, and a 13.2-inch Sync 5 infotainment screen. Wireless Android, auto Apple CarPlay, and over-the-air updates are standard. There's even ambient lighting that pulses with engine revs. Space-wise, it seats 4 adults comfortably with a surprisingly practical rear cargo area, a nod to the crossover crowd. On the safety front, Ford has loaded the T-Roc with everything you'd expect in 2026. You get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, and the latest Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. This isn't just a fast car, it's a smart one too. As for price, the 2026 Mustang Mach 1 T-Roc starts at around $57,000, with fully loaded models pushing into the mid-$60K range. That places it in a sweet spot, more attainable than European performance SUVs, but far more exciting than your average family hauler. So, is the 2026 Mustang Mach 1 T-Roc the future of muscle? It just might be. It breaks tradition without breaking hearts, offering classic V8 fury in a form factor that actually fits modern life. That's it for today's episode of Turbo Talk 2. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us,